Drain, oh my god, you have the whole ocean full of water right there.
Is there audio in here?
It can be audio, yes.
Oh, there's audio right now? Or just... Oh.
That's probably talking.
So these people are freaking out just because it's raining. Are we not on the beach?
And you see right behind us is a whole sea full of water.
What was that? Can you repeat that statement?
And the old lady that's wiping her butt with a towel.
And again, are we not on the beach where there's full of water? Okay.
So nice boat, too. Scattering like flies.
I know.
Like a rain.
If you're gonna make comments, you need to make comments on camera. What did you say?
I said they're scattering like rats in the New York City sewer.
Oh, you're too funny.
You got a sound mixer, don't you?
Like programs? Yeah.
I want to take my video of the waves I took up there on the thing when I set the camera down for like 15 minutes.
Right.
We'll loop it around and then we'll add the Kenny G song.
Oh, you know that's hot.
And we can play it on the TV when come people over and watch the waves.